NASDAQ up 344, more than 3% higher. The S&P up 103. Shares of Poshmark are up 13% on news it's being bought out by a South Korean company for $1.2 billion. It's also lifting shares of other luxury apparel and accessories retailers like RealReal and Stitch Fix. And based on foot traffic, new research by the firm Wise Voter says the most popular grocery store in all of California, what do you think? Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
The only other state, Trader Joe's #1 is Maine. We check your money at 20 and 50. I thought Albertsons. We check your money at 20 and 50 for every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Tom Busby from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk. KNX News 97.1 FM.
B-52.
I think it's going to be a fun show.
Wow. Brings back some memories.
The Canadian likes it. All right. So, Timeline is coming up, and on the line this morning is a pair of tickets to go see the B-52s at the Honda Center coming up November 5th, so stay tuned. It's 8:52.
Love Shack.
Hey, it's Mike.
And Charles, we're getting really close to having to elect the next mayor, but there are a whole bunch of questions that we don't have answers to yet.
So we're moderating a debate with the two candidates. It's this Thursday, and we're not going to let them off the hook.
Not at all. Hear the debate Thursday at 5.
Only on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Sponsored by Ultimate. My vote, my health.
This week in music. Gorilla's upcoming album, Cracker Island, features a collaboration. Stevie Nicks. Nicks had only one demand for taking part in the song, that he become an honorary Gorillaz cartoon. Cracker Island is out February 24th. Beck has released a cover of the Neil Young classic Old Man. The track first debuted during a promo for a Sunday Night Football matchup. Young doesn't seem to have a comment, but Beck's version of Old Man is available now. For more, visit Odyssey.com.
All across the country, people are coming together to speed up what we can learn about health. The All of Us Research Program is calling on 1 million people to join us as we try to change the future of health. For your family, for future generations, for all of us. Visit joinallofus.org and find out how you can become 1 in a million.
How's your mental health? I'm listening with Thomas Rhett.
My wife and I have definitely done our fair share of marital counseling, and I think that we've taken a lot of those tools we've learned and really just tried to apply them to the way that we treat each other, to the way that we parent our children, to the way that we talk to our parents and our friends, and it's just super important to be brutally honest with each other to me. It's one thing to hold it in and then kind of let it explode as time goes, but I think the more you can kind of get it out in the open a lot quicker, for us, at least as a married couple, it has really tremendously helped our marriage.
More at imlistening.org. Talk saves lives.
The United States Deputy Sheriff's Association is a national nonprofit and the largest non-governmental provider of services to law enforcement. The USDSA assists city, county, state, and federal agencies with free safety equipment donations and officer survival training. Cash donations to families of law enforcement officers who perish in the line of duty, college scholarships for the children of law enforcement, a citizen awareness program, and more. For more information on the USDSA and how you can help, visit usdeputy.org.
We all make choices about alcohol. Kids make choices whether to drink or not.
Hi, Dad. Remember, I'm going to Alex's party tonight and sleeping over.
Hey, remind me about that party again? And adults make choices whether to talk about it. That's true of parents and every other trusted adult in a kid's life. Kids want to know our expectations, and they want honest answers in everyday conversations. So talk with your kids and help lead them on a positive path, because when you talk, they hear you. Learn more at underagedrinking.samhsa.gov.
It's time to play Timeline. Do you know the year these events happened? Be the fifth caller through, 866-569-1070, for your chance to win a pair of tickets to see the B-52s at the Honda Center November 5th. Here's the phone number again, 866-569-1070.
The plane went down right behind that big pointy rock.
It was October.
It just flew over.
Singer John Denver dies in a plane crash of his experimental solo aircraft.
Kind of went up a little bit and absolutely straight down.
On television,
Why didn't you just attack me when you had the chance?
it's the first season of Buffy the Vampire Slayer on Fox.
Killed a lot of vampires. I've never hated one before.
Brand new at the movies.
There was a body in there.
Jennifer Love Hewitt stars in I Know What You Did Last Summer.
2 summers ago, we hit Ben Willis with our car and then we threw his body in the water.
It's number 1 on the radio.
Elton John, Something About the Way You Look Tonight. What year was it?
Fifth caller wins a pair of tickets to see the B-52s, Honda Center, November 5th. By overwhelming demand, additional tickets have been released. $25 plus fees on sale now through Ticketmaster.com. Timeline airs again tomorrow morning at 8:53. Right now sponsored by the National Railroad Passenger Corporation. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the fives. Jennifer York.
I'm going to start with it. Let's start with the end of the chase because they did have all lanes blocked on this 91 westbound. This is right at Downey. In fact, they're still blocked. 91 westbound at Downey, between Downey and Paramount. It looks like maybe they're letting you start to get through. This is just a horrendous chase that ended there. The backup on that 91 is to Norwalk. The East 91 has a lot of looky-loo slowing. I believe the car. There was some investigation ongoing. They ran across the lane, so we've got at least one lane blocked, I believe, on the 91 eastbound, or at least it's on the right shoulder. That's why you're backed up at the 710. But again, all lanes have been blocked on the westbound 91 at Downey. Okay, I need to get up to this. I told you I'd look into this 134 eastbound. And what did I find? I didn't find anything, but I'm going to tell you what I see. And what I see is about 3 miles of solid backup coming out of Glendale on the east 134 heading over towards Figueroa. It looks like a crash, but it's not reported. And the westbound 134 is heavy getting away from the 210. Then we got lots in downtown. So 110 South Stadium Way, we got a 2-car crash in the middle lanes. 101 south at Lancashire, we got the right lane blocked, and the north 101 at 4th, we got a box truck in the middle lanes. Bring your little ones along for the adventure aboard Amtrak. Start exploring brand new places or visit familiar ones. Book early and save 50% on fares for kids ages 2 through 12 and no middle seat for legroom and food on board. You can travel with ease. Book now at Amtrak.com. Next traffic report, 905 from the Putty Hill 24-hour traffic center.
Sunny, warm today, right now 65 downtown LA.
Looking for stories about Black culture, Black news, all Black everything? And listen and subscribe to the podcast Beyond Black History Month. From influential newsmakers like Soledad O'Brien.
I try to use Twitter to explain, this thing is not good, but let me explain to you why it's not good. And let's talk about what framing is.
To why Game of Thrones fans can believe in dragons, but not a Black Targaryen. Or Valerion, technically. Find Beyond Black History Month on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcasts from.
Got a new helmet.
I did. Bought it online. Follow me. We'll turn off here.
I'm right behind you.
Watch the cars. They can be crazy.
Hey! Are you okay? Somebody do something!
Was this young man hit by a car?
Yes, and his helmet is smashed.
It's a brand new helmet.
It's probably a fake. Fakes cause real harm. You're smart. Buy smart. Brought to you by the National Crime Prevention Council and the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office.
Unlike other health concerns, mental illness is not always easy to see. Depression won't show up on an eye chart, and you won't find PTSD by looking at a thermometer. Sorting out a mental health concern takes professional diagnosis and treatment. Anxiety won't just go away under a bandage. If you or a loved one has a mental health concern, call 1-800-662-HELP for free and confidential information and treatment referral. Learn more at samhsa.gov/support.
I'm Listening to remind you that you are not alone and that talk saves lives. There's a new national hotline for mental health-related distress, 988. When you call or text 988 from any phone, you will be connected directly with trained counselors in over 200 crisis centers nationwide. They can get you the help you need anytime, anywhere. 988, the new National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Talk saves lives, and with 988, talking is only 3 digits away. Find out more at I'mListening.org.
From the GetRefunds.com studio, that's always live on the free Odyssey app.
This is KNX AM, FM, and HD Los Angeles.
KNX News, 97.1 FM.
All that matters to you in Southern California.
Coming up is our top local story. Arguments and protests ahead at LA City Hall over moves to end the pandemic ban on evictions.
Latest on that BMW chase and how it ended.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM. It's 9 o'clock. This is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I'm Steve Kathan.
When I was born to coal miner's daughter.
And Loretta Lynn died a country music legend with Grammys and other awards and 11 #1 country hit singles. She was 90 years old. Loretta Lynn said the songs she wrote and sang were about
whatever